Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate normalized difference moisture index. To do that, firstly, let's look at what is normalized difference moisture index. Normalized difference moisture index is a spectral index used to determine the moisture content in vegetation canopy. So the formula for calculating normalized difference moisture index for Landsat 8 to 9, normalized difference moisture index equal to band 5 minus band 6 divided by band 5 plus band 6. Okay. Then for Landsat 4 to 7, normalized difference moisture index equal to band 4 minus band 5 divided by band 4 plus band 5. Okay, so I will launch into my ArcGIS interface. So I will add up my band. I will add up the band 4 and the band 5 to the ArcGIS interface. Okay, so I'm trying to navigate to the folder that I have my data. Okay, so I will add up band 5 and band 6. We click on add. Okay, after doing that, I will go to the search option. I will go to the search option and search for raster calculator. You can also do that by using Arc Toolbox. Okay, so I will search for raster calculator. After that, I will right click on the one that is under Spatial Analysis Tools. Okay, so I will click on float. Okay, so I will go back to confirm the formula. Band 5 minus band 6 divided by band 5 plus band 6. Okay, so I will click on band 5, then minus band 6. I right click on the band 6. Okay, divided by, then I will go back to float. I right click on float. Band 5 plus band 6. Okay, then I will choose a folder location where I want to save my work. I will give it a name, NDMI. That is normalized difference moisture index. Then after that, I will click on save and OK. Okay, you can see that it is running at the background, so I will wait for it for some time to finish. Okay, it is done. So I will go back to my table of content and uncheck the previous layer. So it is remaining only my normalized difference moisture index layer. So I will right click on it and go to properties. Then I will go to classification. The classify render require a data to have. I will click on yes. Okay. Then I will make it to be in 4 class. Then I will also format my label. Okay. Then I will also choose my color RAM. Okay. After doing that, I will click on apply and OK. Okay. Our normalized different moisture index has been calculated. You can see where we have the negative value to be area with no moisture index, and you can see where we have the positive value to be area with high moisture index. Okay, so if you are watching this video up to this very moment, do well to hit the subscribe button and share the video to others so that they can also benefit from it, just as you are doing right now. Okay. You can classify this other part that seems to be red to be bare land or dry land. Okay, so that is how to calculate normalized different moisture index in ArcGIS. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.